Readynez has an expertise in advising businesses in building a training plan, and often when they are uncertain which courses are right for them. So we start by conducting a needs assessment to identify the current state and the goals. We engage with stakeholders, including managers and employees, to gather insights and feedback. And with that data, we can define the skills gap and the key competences needed for various roles, and then prioritize them based on their importance. Depending on various scopes, we'll propose recommended solutions for the best learning outcomes and financial effectiveness. We'll then continuously monitor the progress and gather feedback to ensure that the training remains effective and relevant. So this systematic approach ensures that the training plan aligns with the company's specific needs and objectives. We dedicate our efforts ensuring that our customers are reaching their objectives they've set out to reach. It's not just for the sake of doing a training or attending a course.